Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. This is part 2 of a massive Dolly mail I received from Blythe Clicks over on Instagram. Yeah, we just had some back and forth little messages to each other. She asked about sending me some Dolly mail. Of course I said yes. And if you haven't seen the other video, well, I'll put the link for it down below, but wowee. So here's the second box. I wanted to break it up so the videos weren't super duper long. Here is the second box from her. The other one had some wonderful surprises in it. I don't want to ruin it in case you haven't seen that video yet. This video is for the second box, and there was a box in the box. So this box was inside the other box. Ooh, such a little bit. Okay. Ooh. Oh, some hands. Again, thank you. I'm just really overwhelmed. Oh, looks like a little flower. Let me put that there. Okay, so there's a bag here. A little gift bag thing. Okay, whoa. More dolls. Oh my god, look, there's some pink, there's all kinds of beautiful fantasy here. Oh, and a blonde, a tan blonde, green, oh my goodness. Okay, and a whole bunch of clothing. Okay, so I'm gonna do the dolls. Let's look at the clothing first. I know, I'm dying to look at these, but let's look at these clothes here. In fact, so here's a bunch of hands. And there's a little box in here. It might have more hands in it. No, look at these cute little earrings. Look at that. Got a little teddy bear on a piece of cake. And then the other earrings have, oh, Pac-Man. Super cute. These will be cute for the dollies. So I got 2 pairs of earrings, Pac-Man, and cake with the teddy bears. Very, very cute. We got the hands. Those are always nice, especially when you're taking photographs. You can switch out their hands and stuff. And oh, there's some cute little dresses. And with a little unicorn hairpiece thing. Look at this. Oh, how sweet is this? And it's got like a little fluffy thing in the bottom. Little, God, words, Tammy. I'm kind of still in shock. All right. A little headband with the fuzzies. This is pretty. This will be cute. A little hair clip with the unicorn. And this sweet dress. Obviously, this goes with, this is tiny. Now, this must fit a different, I wonder if this fits a midi. That's quite a bit smaller than a Blythe size. Oh, so these are a bunch of wooden beads. Oh, so this is like pole ring kit. So it's got, for beads. So it's got wooden beads in really nice colors, nice big holes. It's got some elastic type, the stretchy, is it stretchy? Oh, no, no, it's just, oh yeah, it is stretchy. Stretchy, so you can use that to make the pole ring charms. And then some, oh, really cute little charms with little dolls on there. Okay, so these are like little buttons. Oh, look how cute these are. Yeah, these are little buttons, holes in their bodies. And then we have, oh, look at this cute little raincoat. Look at that. Oh, and it's got a hole in the back so you can have the pole rings back there and stuff. this is cute. Got, oh, Hello Kitty. We got a Hello Kitty top, skirt, and little stockings. Super, super cute. And there's two cute little dresses with kitty cats on the front. Cute. So those are felt and they're stitched on there. Oh, so here's a little note from her. Good. Tammy, thank you for content and fun challenges. Send you girls. I had lots of fun with them, and I know they couldn't be in better hands. XOXO Andreas. Thank you, Andreas. I can't thank you enough. I just cannot thank you enough. Okay. I just can't, so. But I won't stop saying thank you either. Oh, look at this beautiful bow. And then, let's see, do we have one more thing here? Okay, so this is some more beads and charms, again, for, you know, creating the pole rings and stuff like that. These little beads are cute because they've got letters, so, and I know Marna does that with her, her doll. She'll put, in fact, she's done that with the doll that she gave me up here, the little mini doll. She puts the name, which is a really good idea, because after a while you forget some of their names sometimes, or at least I do. But oh gosh, thank you. I mean, I'm going to keep this little card because this means a lot to me. All right, let's get to the dollies. Here is, ooh, mint green. So in fact, oh, she's one of the ones that has the different little lips. They're little pouty lips. Oh, and again, there's some drawing on the back plate. And beaded pole charm. And so her eyes look like they might have been boggled. See how big they are? And oh, she's got purple eye chips. Look at those purple eye chips. Purple and green, they look cool together. All right, so let me, and then she's got the blue. And the green on the green, that looks pretty cool. So she's got different colors than the other ones. Oh, and then she's got some other customized eye chips. So she has a couple customized eye chips. So yeah, very neat looking. Okay, so we got the green, mint green. Here is a dark green. Look at that. She also has art on her back plate. Beaded pole charm, pole ring cord. And check out those eyes. And again, she also has the smaller, so her lips look like they've been painted to be smaller. Yeah. The paint, like there's, it's hard to explain, but it gives her an extra pouty look. And definitely those are custom eye chips. All right, let's see. In fact, I was just thinking of buying some custom eye chips recently because side blue, because of a couple of projects I've got in mind. Woo! Look at those green ones. And then the side orangey. Flip her back. And she also looks like she's been boggled, so the eyes are like bigger, so you don't see the eyelids. You know, like you don't see any of the eyelids. Like usually they kind of look like that, but see how their eyes are bigger, so they've been, some boggling has been going on there, I believe. Ooh, this girl looks right up my alley. Woo! Static electricity. Oh my gosh. I better be careful. My sister might steal this doll from me. So, here, tan, bobbed hair, very, very blonde, platinum blonde. Let's see. Yes, she has art on the back. If I can get her hair out of the way. There you go. Art on the back. And look at the pretty, she's got little, oh, this is a neat idea. Look how she's strung that on there. So she's got little charms. All right, so there's her side brown chips. Oh, so again, we've got customized eye chips. Those are gorgeous. Side gray and front blue. Yeah, these are beautiful eye chips. Look at those. This, yeah, wow. Yes, I can already hear my sister. Tammy. Okay, here's another one. Oh, she's got curly pink hair. She also, okay, so I think this is an icy doll. See how she's got a little bit different faceplate mold than a typical Blythe. And her eyes are more almond shaped than round. Look how cute that is. So she's got purple eye chips. And let's see what she's got on her back plate. Yes, oh, she's got a flamingo. Warning. Flamingo alert. She's got this really cute charm on here. It says Holly. So this is Holly. Oh, cute. Very, very cute. All right, so let's see her eye chips. And she's got pink eyeshadow. Can you see that pink eyeshadow there? And her pink eyes. Side orangey. And the front brown. She's unusual. She's an unusual looking little dog. And in fact, you know what? Her body is smaller up top. She's got smaller tatas. So it looks like she's on the extra small A-zone style body versus the regular medium size, or I don't know if it'd be extra small, but she's smaller than these gals. I guess I should have said, warning, Dolly nudity. So she's smaller, she's petite. Yeah, she's cute. Huh, you know, I think this is, are they, all of them have these almond shaped eyes? And look at her little mouth is like kind of cute. All right. Okay, yes, there's more. I think it's like a couple of more. Oh, this girl's got big lips on her. Holy cow. Again, we got some static electricity. Oh. Yeah, she's also got kind of a different body. All right, so she's got really large lips. Check out those lips. Beautiful. These are kind of like a light blue. Those eyes are pretty. Let's see what's on the back. Some more pretty art. Oop. Oop. Get out of the way there. On the back. Very pretty. That's like an anime style there. No name on this one, but just some beads. All right, let's check out her other eye chips. Are they? Oh, they are. That just doesn't hear the click. Yellow. Huh. I don't know if I've seen yellow before. Side brown. Side pink. And her eyes, you can see her eyes have a little bit of pink right here. Is there eyeshadow? Yeah, her eyes also are kind of a different shape. And this body is a different kind of plastic. It's you know, I don't know what this is. It's shaped like the A-zone, but the plastic used is different. It's kind of a shinier plastic, I guess you could say. But yeah, that's a very unusual looking doll. And her hair is super soft. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doll number 6 in this box. And holy cow, put on your sunglasses. Look at that hair. Wow. Woo! Holy stromboli. Oh my goodness. That is some pink hair. that hair is pink. Don't adjust your sets. Oh, look at these pretty little cupcakes. Very cute. And so she's more of a traditional fakie. She's got brown eyeshadow, and those are her side gray eye chips. She's got, oh, in fact, does she have a name on here? Princess. Her name is Princess, and she has a cute little butterfly charm. Blue. That looks good with that pink hair there. Side brown. And the light pink. Very pinky. I guess the pink actually might work with the pink hair for a change. Yeah, I like the blue. So, wowie, wow. I'm just, holy cow. Thank you again. And, you know, this is what the doll community is about. I mean, sharing and, you know, for whatever reason, she didn't need these dolls anymore. And she knew that I was a person that would have something that I could do with these dolls. And as it happens, I'm getting into customizing now. So these will be very useful for that. And it's actually nice to have some of them kind of partially customized. So they're already kind of started for me. And I love the back plates. That's really neat to be able to do that. And there's such a variety here. I mean, it's like every color of hair you can possibly think of. Yeah. So not only do I want to thank her, but I want to thank my community out there and the viewers who are watching to the end of this video. It really means a lot to me. I hope you enjoyed me sharing this experience with you. And as usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please have a wonderful Dolly Day and let me know what you think in the comments below. Bye-bye.